Oh, you're looking for the camera for capturing memories you love? This will change your life.
This video is brought to you by Audiio. You will get 70% off coupon by my code. But first, the cinema time.
Click. Click. Nothing special. He clicks as he opens and closes the door in between the present and the past, in silence. They often want to capture things they are having at that moment. While that, he just clicks as usual, without being noticed. The only mission he was given is to let them have that moment and capture memories. He must not make them care about him. He knows things can easily vanish. Lights are fragile, so do their memories. Listen carefully. Today, he does his job in silence. Nothing special. Click. Click. I am not here.
Those cameras are so professional, amazing image quality and performance, but too big and too heavy for carrying every day. Like, imagine having 1-year-old son on my right arm and 2 aggressive dogs on my left hand, and what the hell am I supposed to use for camera? Smartphones. Not that bad idea, but I want to capture moments more dramatic and cinematic. But again, don't want to go that hard, because I need the mobility and the portability with the low budget. I got you. This Fujifilm X-M5 is perfect for that. Not like those pro cameras, it's compact, light, easy and simple, but with high quality photos and videos. So today I will show you guys what this can do and what this can give you and how this changes your life. Oh, I'm not giving you the antidote. What I'm giving you is the crux. Get it. Fujifilm X-M5. This is the APS-C 26 megapixel compact interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. Oh shit, that was long. But it got amazing video and photo performance such as 6.2K video, 4K slow motion and film simulation for having a film lock images easily and high quality built-in microphone, easy vlogging mode, and goes on. And those are packed in this sophisticated classic design. Okay, from now let's dive deep in this camera. So this camera offers you several resolution options from 1080p to 6.2K. 6K video from this little camera. It must be the huge difference from the smartphone video. And when it's 6.2K, it's gonna be open gate. It's a little bit complicated, but it allows you to use full area of the sensor. So it's gonna be like this. The video size you usually see is 16 by 9, but open gate is wider vertically. What's amazing about this is it lets you shoot both off vertical and horizontal video in one shot. When you need a horizontal and vertical video, you shoot horizontally and vertically again. And plus, if you cut out the vertical area from the normal 4K video, that vertical area loses resolution. But when you cut out the vertical area from 6.2K open gate footage, you can have 4K resolution out of it. So if you have both options, vertical and horizontal from the one shot, this open gate 6.2K is so helpful. Actually, I'm making 2 versions of short film. One is for the Instagram reel and one is for the YouTube intro. And this 6K open gate is helping me so much. And simply, 6K is beautiful. And when it's 4K, you can go up to 60 FPS, which generates this slow motion footage. This will help you to capture some moments dramatic and cinematic. And sometimes you wanna shoot for long hours. Don't worry, this has the long play mode. For example, when it's 4K LP mode, you can shoot for over 1 hour continuously. So now we know this camera has amazing video performance like 6.2K or 4K 60 FPS. But when it comes to the Fujifilm camera, the color and the vibe are what are we waiting for? So this is shot on normal color without any color editing. But look at this, it's already looking so good. I guess this Fujifilm color is a really huge difference from smartphone and other mirrorless cameras. And Fuji cameras have film simulation, which gives you the experience of shooting on actual film, such as across black and white, nostalgic, neg, classic, neg. So those are actual films that you use for film camera. And you can experience those tastes digitally on this camera. you can instantly have the film look for your videos and photos without color editing. This function makes shooting so much fun. You don't have to care about the difficult and complicated color stuff, just let the camera do the job. Just in case you want to do more professionally, this shoots F-Log 2. I love the vibe of F-Log, very easy to handle, and it allows me to have more options for color grading. When you want to level up from the color preset like film simulation, I think it's a good idea to try shooting and editing F-Log. So, one more extra important thing for capturing your memories, dramatic and cinematic, the music. For that, Audiio is a great choice. Audiio is the royalty-free music and sound effect platform that you can use for anything like Instagram, YouTube content, or even client projects. Real artists and composers are providing the high-quality music and sound effect, not stock. It's super easy to find the music and sound effect by those detailed categories, but this Hans AI features boost it so much. You got the idea from the music, but don't know how to search? Like you don't know the genre, mood, or instrument, type what's in your head. And it shows you some options. But there is the even easier way, link match AI. This is super useful. Put the link to any song on, for example, Spotify, YouTube, or TikTok, and then AI analyzes it and find the closest match from their catalog. Those AI features help you to find the music that is struggling to get out of your head. And if you already do that video editing, there is some advanced feature, Element. With this function, you can decide what you're gonna bring to home from the whole track. For example, you find some music, but you need only drums and bass. Element allows you to download only drums and bass. Not only them, there are some other options you can remix by yourself to match with your video. I recommend this Pro plan to cover pretty much all features, and if you use my coupon code KENSEI70, you get 70% off for the first year. Don't miss a chance for your wallet, but more than that, for your memories. So this vlog mode is welcoming you to start shooting videos. You know, what is the biggest thing that keeps you away from using camera for shooting videos? The camera setting. Sounds very complicated, right? Even me, I sometimes want to go like easy, casual. When it's vlog mode, the camera does everything for you. But you can have some options on this screen. This UI is so easy, so you will know what to use depending on situations. You can select mode right here. If you want full auto mode, pick this P. Then the camera decides the exposure. And hit the menu again. There are many options, but what I like is this background defocus mode. When you turn this on, you can have the bokeh like this. If you know about the camera, you know what's happening, right? But this feature is so useful and helpful for people who don't know about the camera that much. And this one is mind-blowing. Portrait enhancer level. For example, when it's strong, the main subject is enhanced like this. It just popped out. And you can adjust levels from off to strong. So if you want some portrait or product shot with a melting blurred background, turn on this background defocus and this portrait enhancer level. Basically, the camera does everything for you, but you still have the extra room for being creative. I think this vlog mode is also great for leveling your skill up. First, start off with this auto mode and use some features. Also, you can apply film simulation on this vlog mode too, then I guess you will understand what does what. Next, it's time to do by yourself. As I showed you before, this camera has amazing video performance. It got the huge potential and power for when you are ready. What I truly loved about this vlog mode is this allows you to practice and learn how to shoot without giving up. Also, this has the amazing built-in microphone. You can select the direction that you want to record, surround, front, back, and front and back. And there's a noise reduction that you can cut the wind and background noise. Okay, now let's look at the build quality and design. As you can see, this is really small, way smaller than what this is capable of, 0.78 pounds. When it comes to the size, it is shorter than iPhone 16 Pro. And when you put the compact lens, this is a 27mm lens. You can totally put this in your pocket. There are many things that I want to talk about this design, but what I really like is the feeding of shutter and the sound of it. Like, and this shutter feeling. It is tiny, but there is the satisfaction. It's not obvious, but definitely it is giving you the amazing shutter feeling. And also I like this film simulation dedicated dial. You can select films by this, you don't have to go into the menu to switch the film. Buttons and dials are so minimalism, but the usability is not that bad. For example, you can press this wheel at the front and you can choose from aperture, ISO, and films. And it is super tiny, but there is a quick selection menu, a button right here. Well, it's good for the design, but this usability is not that good for me because it's too tiny. But yeah, let's forgive it for this classic, retro, and minimalism design. The most important and the greatest thing about this design is the silence. Well, it looks so good. You can have the great satisfaction of ownership. But when you actually shoot, this becomes silent because things are limited. It doesn't have many physical functions like buttons, wheels, and dials, but that allows you to focus on things you have in front of you, experience. This design is not only cool, it also maximizes your experience that you're having at that moment. Fujifilm and photography. This combo is pretty much like a cheeseburger and fries. Well, first, the easiness from the camera makes you go easy. You know, when you hold this camera, what you're gonna feel is not like, man, I'm so pumped up, let's fucking shoot. This X-M5 makes you relax, comfortable, and it's not rushing you to go out, move around, and look for something cool. This just lets you cruise on the street. Since you don't focus on shooting and the camera, the perspective gets wider. Maybe you find some coffee house, restaurant, or something new about your city you live. The rhythm with this camera is so comfortable. Eventually, you naturally shoot. So images produced by this creative process is so pure. They have genuine emotions from yourself. Maybe some are not good photo with the beautiful scene or the perfect composition and focus, but they are actually genuine photo. What I truly felt about the photography with this camera is this gets rid of your showing off spirit. Like the mindset that you shoot photos for your prestige. This lets you forget about it and enjoy the moment and memory capturing process. This is the huge attraction of this X-M5. Okay, that's it. But one thing before I end this video. Whose is this for? I want to say for everyone, but especially people who are about to start the camera life. Those people are shooting photos and videos by smartphone, I guess, and they want obvious difference from that and want to enjoy the casual photography and videography, but don't want to go that hard. Isn't this perfect for that? Now you watched the pretty much entire video, so I believe you think so too. Since I recommend this in this video, I have been using this for my days, for my life, and I realized one thing. The camera is not for making money originally. It is for having the experience, taking the phenomenon in front of you all in, and sharing it with future yourself or someone who you care about. Those cameras can do a lot. Their performance is so professional, but because of that, you tend to lose the most important thing, the experience. We focus on the camera too much, but this X-M5 will let you forget about that and enjoy the moment with the high quality photos and videos. So if you're studying out the camera right now, please enjoy your life first. The camera comes next or next after next after next after next. If you are already shooting for business, but please don't forget about the joy of experiences. Experiences greater than camera. Okay, this is it. If you have any question, just shoot me anytime, anywhere. And if you like this video, show me a thumb and hit the subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Jabba.